Thank you for watching our product video. Now let us continue with the 3 steps onboarding journey, wherein we will take you through the hassle-free process of signing up for our flagship product, Jarvis One Stock. To start up, you need to create an account with Jarvis. Make sure you accepted all necessary conditions before pressing continue. Now enter the OTP you receive on your phone to verify your mobile number. You are now just 3 steps away from helping Jarvis create wealth for you. To begin with, Jarvis understands your risk-taking ability with a few basic questions. Read through each question and choose the option that works best for you. Before you move on to the next set of questions, you can change your answers if needed. Submit your responses on the basis of your answers. Jarvis tells you what kind of risk profile you fall. In this case, the user has been assessed to be a moderately aggressive investor, except that the information shared is true. Finally, you must choose between the variety of plans available with Jarvis according to the frequency of recommendations you would like to get. You must pay the required fee according to the chosen plan. In this case, it is Rs 5,999 for 6 months subscription. Now which will navigate you to the payment page. Click on Pay Now, from where you will be redirected to the payment page. A payment is done. Congratulations! All you need to do is CKYC. As per Securities and Exchange Board of India guidelines, we use NSDL and CDSL, which are government repositories, which help financial institutions like us to validate the customer's KYC credentials. Once you have entered all the information and e-signed the document, your onboarding is now completed. You can now view your One Stock dashboard. Please note, if onboard before 12 p.m. on a trading day, you will be able to receive the stock recommendations on the same day. To execute, then you must choose from a range of available brokers and log in with your broker and complete the transaction. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.